Today we are talking all about March Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular base bag, the spoilers. Let me take off my glasses so I can see better, and let's pull up what the spoilers are that we have so far. If you are not familiar with Ipsy Glam Bag, it is $13 a month and you get 5 deluxe samples. Now these are just some spoilers. There's many more things to choose from when the customizations actually open. Here is what the design looks like for the March 2020 Glam Bag. The Glam Bag Plus we will be talking about in a separate video. They are saying that they wanted to create glam bags that bring people together and drive action that will reflect on progress made, call for change, and to celebrate courage. All good things. So pretty cute. It's probably not one of my favorites, but pretty cute. What do we have first? We have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Brow Wiz in dark brown. Well, dark brown I think would be too dark for me. Once in a while I have noticed that they will say the spoilers is one color, but then when it comes to it, there's multiple colors as an option. Anastasia is cruelty free. Okay, I would, yes. First Aid Beauty Hydrating Eye Cream with Hyaluronic Acid. I have tried a couple things from First Aid and I like them, never the eye cream. New here, hi, my name is Stacy. This is Stacy Lee Beauty, and I do the Ipsy spoilers and then the unboxing when I get those. The Ipsy bags are given to me complimentary to try out when I receive them. So if you want to make sure that you see what I actually do get in my March bags, then make sure you are subscribed down below, that button underneath the video. You just click it, it changes from red, and you're in. We also have, It Cosmetics CC Cream Plus Cream with SPF 50 plus. Now the shade is medium. So again, that would probably be too dark for me, but if I do get that, I will try that as either a contour or bronzer depending on how it is, or even like for eyeshadow or something. I would get some use out of it because I do like It Cosmetics stuff that I've tried. Oh yes, okay, so far, yes, I do hope I get this next item. This is the Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. I've never had a lip jelly mask. I have tried a couple things from Kinship and really like them. Their papaya cleanser, I got a sample and just so refreshing. They are cruelty free. All right, this is another one that sounds pretty interesting to me. The Winky Lux Peepers Perfect Under Eye Concealer. I would love to know if you have tried that. And also, what is your favorite concealer? I would like to know that, because I'm in the process of testing out different concealers for under eye for us women that are aging a little bit. I'm in my mid-40s, so not that old, but you know, there are changes to my skin, so I'm testing them out. I have a couple favorites so far, but I'd love to know from you if you have a favorite that I should add into the rotation to try out. This is the Rum Natura shampoo and hair conditioner. But when I first saw that, my mind instantly went to Red Rum and Stephen King. You know, do you always think of like those twins? What movie was that from his? Was that? I can't remember, but it was a Stephen King movie. Okay. That would be okay. I haven't heard anything about that brand. This is another brand I had never heard of. That is the one thing I like about Ipsy, is usually there are some brands that I've never heard of, so it gives me an opportunity to try them. Miss Cho Beauty, I hope I'm saying that right, but a lip liner and Madame. It doesn't really give us a description. From the picture, it looks like a pretty dark color, so I don't know. What do you think? Is there anything that caught your eye in these spoilers? Again, this is just a little tiny portion of what could... Again, this is just a little tiny portion of what the possibilities are that could be in your bag and that you would get to choose from. But what do you think so far? I'm not as excited this month as I was for last month, but there's a couple things on here that I would be happy if they were in my bag. So, Ipsy, if you're listening, have you tried any of these products? Good, bad, they're so-so? What do you think? Let's get the conversation started. And I hope that if you haven't already, again, I gotta say it, and if you want to see what I get in my Ipsy bag when it comes, it won't be for a while, but make sure you are subscribed. And also, if you want to see the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus spoilers, make sure you're subscribed for that too. If you want to, how many times did I say if? If you want to binge and see what I've gotten in my past Ipsy bags, you can click on any of the videos that are popping up on the screen now, and it'll take you right to there. I hope that you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, whenever and wherever you are that you're watching this, and that you'll come on back and see me. Bye!